Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add a gift card to your Uber Eats. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to simply add a gift card in your Uber, all you need to do is simply tap open your Uber Eats app. So once you tap open your Uber Eats app, you will be able to be in this kind of interface. So now all you need to do is simply tap on a item that you want to purchase, or you can simply tap on the card like icon on the top right hand side of the corner. So once you tap on it, you need to tap on view basket and then you need to proceed to continue. So after tapping on continue, you will end up in this kind of interface where you can find the option called add payment method. So simply tap on it and there you can find an option gift card. So once you tap on gift card, you need to type in your pin code or like your gift code here and tap on the save button. After you do so, you can simply go back and proceed to checkout. So now you have used your gift card for the payment of the stuff that you have currently bought. This is how you can simply use your gift card on your Uber Eats. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.